Established in 1884, the Vale School was a 2-acre plot set aside by the trustees of the Drainesville Magisterial District. Built on what is known today as Vale and Fox Mill Roads, the Vale School is one of the few historic landmarks that still sits in its original location and is comprised mostly of its original materials. The establishment of the Vale School played an integral part in the growth of the Vale community. It served not only as a place for education, but as a place of communion for friends and neighbors to celebrate and worship. Community organizations such as the Vale Literary Society, the Vale Farmers Club, and the Vale Methodist Church all utilized the schoolhouse. Circa 1912, William Herbie Fox successfully influenced the addition of a second room to the Vale School from the dismantling of the Florist School duplex. But with the hard-hitting Great Depression, the Vale community was unsuccessful in keeping its beloved schoolhouse doors open. 4 years later, the Fairfax County School Board decided to sell the Vale School. But on June 4, 1935, the Vale Home Demonstration Club petitioned the school board not to sell, but rather allow the Vale Club to develop the property as a community center. Founded and led by Mrs. Florence Jodsies, the Vale Home Demonstration Club was granted exclusive use of the property until further notice. The women of the Vale worked feverishly to clean and repair the building, and within 2 short years, they were able to purchase the property. Through their mission, they learned skills such as dressmaking, furniture refinishing, and healthcare. The Vale women also learned leadership skills as they managed the community house and plan and execute fundraising and social events for local families. The Vale School Community House is still owned and maintained by the women of the Vale community, and many long-standing traditions established by the Home Demonstration Club are still practiced today. The Vale School Community House, the best preserved 2-room school building in Fairfax County, is a rare surviving building that symbolizes the important work that women of the Virginia Extension Services Home Demonstration Program accomplish and continue to accomplish in their communities.